In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Rocket Money. We'll be focusing on doing this on an Android device, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you'll find all your apps, including Rocket Money. If you're not familiar with the Play Store, it's the app with a colorful triangle icon. Once you have it open, you're ready to move forward. Now, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Rocket Money. This will help you locate the app among the thousands available. As you type, you'll notice suggestions appear below. Keep an eye out for Rocket Money Bills and Budgets. That's the app we want. Once you see Rocket Money Bills and Budgets in the search results, go ahead and tap on it. This step is crucial because tapping on the correct app ensures you're downloading the official version. Remember, always make sure you're downloading from a trustworthy source to keep your device secure. Next up, you'll see a button labeled Install. Tap on this button to start the downloading process. This action tells your device to begin downloading and installing the app. It's a straightforward step, but it's integral to getting the app on your device. After you tap Install, you'll need to wait for the download to finish. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. During this time, your device is downloading the app and preparing it for use. It's like setting the stage before the show begins. Once the download is complete, you'll be one step closer to managing your bills and budgets with Rocket Money. Once the download finishes, you'll see an Open button appear where the Install button was. Tap Open to launch Rocket Money for the first time. This action opens the app, allowing you to start exploring its features and functionality. At this point, you're all set to begin using Rocket Money. It's a powerful tool that helps you manage your finances, track your spending, and keep your budget in check. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded and opened the app on your Android device. Remember, taking the time to set up apps like these can save you a lot of effort in the future. Congratulations on completing the download process. Feel free to explore the app and see how it can help streamline your financial management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy budgeting.